Alright, we're out with Dynam Pits. It's a bit breezy, -3. I believe it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's Sunday. I'm gonna fly off the road. Got a crosswind though. See how she does. And got the radio glove. Keep the hands warm. I should do up my coat too, probably. Okay. Throttle cut off. And we're coming. It's wind's direct down there. I'm probably gonna walk out and land in the snow. Oh, hatch slipping. That's not a good sign. All right. Oh, haha! Wow. Should look up. Might hit a light. It's got a cool howl to it. Hit the brakes. Sun. Up. Cut the throttle down and over. Look at the flat spin going. Now look at that. This thing flat spins amazingly into a snap. Rifle barrel. Open the pond of doom. A little inverted. Outside loop into a snap. Some kind of weird thing that was. I don't know what you call that either. Staying away from that sun, she's pretty bright. Get some slow flying down, cool that battery down a bit. Walk out into the snow. Oh, under the sun. Vey. Laying on the back of my truck. Yeah, let's not do that today. Away from the sun, please. I come out here, I can do some nice low passes and stuff. That was cool. That's wicked tail slide going. Let me do that again. Not quite. So I got a 5004S in this, so it should fly for a week. Over the whole of Doom. I mean the pond of Doom. Hate that pond. Nice little pass. Whoa! Son of a bitch. That's ice. I almost went boom. Oh. There we go, hat's back on. Hands back in the radio glove. Wow, I almost fell down. That was crazy. My hat's slowly sliding off my head, so I'm going to bring her around and hopefully do a really nice landing in the snow here. I hear it sounds like a home built flying around. Wow. Had almost fell off my head. Back there is just a sheet of ice. But look at that landing. That was a good landing after all that. Do some. Oops, did I just do that? Haha. This plane is just incredible. Wish I brought more batteries. There's my timer, so I gotta come around and actually land this time. I took off with the wind, I just realized that. That's okay. And the wind just picked up again. Ah, the wind blew it over. Or I hit a weed, one of the two. All right, one good landing, one crappy landing. Oh, Jesus Christ, look at that's just sheet of ice out here. Wow. I'm gonna go over here to the grass and walk. Oh well, that's the bottom of a Pitts Python from Dynam. Flip her over. On her wheels. There we go. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I'm coming back out. I gotta watch out for that ice. Ciao for now.